Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's unit comes from Asteria Hair. Yes, this is a dream unit for me. I have loved this unit for months. I would almost say almost a year. When I first saw it, I gasped. I'm someone who really loves color, and it was one of the things that really drew me to this unit. The placement of color, the combination of colors, it was just breathtaking. So let me show you this unit and you'll see what I mean. Now she is called the Burgundy and Flesh Pink Mixed Highlights Glueless Wig. She's glueless. She's glueless. And I said, if I'm going to buy this wig, because the first time I saw her and I gasped, then I looked at the price and I gasped. So I went on for months just saying, you know what, I'm just going to stick that in the dream wig file and I'm going on with my life. But I was able to purchase her. I'm so excited. And I said, if I'm going to buy this wig, I'm going to get it exactly the way I want it. So I did get the 13x4 lace front, and I bought her at 24 inches. So I've had her now for probably about 3 weeks because I had this schedule of things I wanted to review for you all, but now's the time to open her up. So this is going to be my first time seeing this unit. So we'll put the unit out, and it looks like there's some other goodies in here, like goodies. We love the bag, first of all. Love, love, love the bag. So we have the wig band, and this is nice. This has a nice give to it. You know, I threw away my other wig bands because some of them just give me a headache. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. But this is really nice. Thank you. Very nice lashes. The wig cap. And this is interesting. Oh my goodness. It's like a nice short satin robe. Oh my gosh. So that when I'm styling, I don't make a mess all over my clothes. That is awesome. Thank you. Okay, we have some literature. I'm gonna go over that in a while. And is that my Asteria Hair VIP group invitation? And then the hair care booklet. Okay, let's get to business. Look at that. Look at those beautiful chunks of color. Now, you know that's the first thing I'm going to say. And look how that's just framing the face. Beautiful. Okay, so let's just get to the basics first. Okay, so here you go. There you go. Okay. We have some tinted lace, but look at this hairline. This hairline, look how wonderful that is. Nicely plucked. And I know from the picture there are baby hairs. The way they have it styled in the picture, I think is really pretty, but I think that's more for the younger crowd. So because I'm working with 13x4, you know me, you know where we're going here. I'll give you 3 guesses. We are going to see if we can do a side part on this. And ooh, yeah. And I sliced through it, and we're seeing like scalp. I am super duper impressed with this hairline. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this in and have some fun with this. I can't wait. Okay, this middle part is fighting me, so I'm not going to sit here and fight with her too much longer. We will just go ahead and do her in a middle part. Hair is so soft, and look at those pink highlights around the face. I love that. And those bold burgundy streaks. I'm just going to keep her clean, just like that. I really don't want the baby hairs on her. I just want her like this. You know, I can't believe I'm wearing her. It's just I kind of hate to do this, but I'm going to do just a little tiny sheer. It's a little bit of hair that's just not cooperating. Want to keep as much of that pink as we can. There we go. That is everything. So guys, she is everything I wanted. It's just, she's just everything. She just feels fantastic, and these color streaks are, thank you, Asteria Hair. I'm so glad I was able to finally purchase this. She comes highly recommended. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Give me some feedback. How do you feel about this unit? How do you feel about Asteria Hair? I am loving my first purchase, and thank you guys so much for joining me again. Stay blessed, guys.